Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com. We all know this cracker, whether you call it hardtack or a Panzer plate. What will you call them now after you see this video? We've heard a lot of talk about how hard these crackers are, so we got curious and had an idea. Since we had a cracker left over from a review, we enlisted the help of my SUV, the Blue Buggy. We put a cracker under the tire. We had no idea what to expect. Watch for yourselves.
Look at that.
Unedited.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat.
Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and leave us some comments. Thanks to Nina for working the camera. Thanks for watching.